The WeWeb MCP lets external AIs interact with WeWeb. So you could go into your AI chat of choice and ask it to take actions and build inside of your desired WeWeb projects. Now, if you're asking what an MCP is, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and an MCP basically exposes tools that your AI can interact with. So in the case of the WeWeb MCP, it exposes tools related to interacting with your project, such as adding elements, creating workflows, etc. And because it exposes these tools, you could connect your AI to the WeWeb MCP, and thus your AI could then build inside of your WeWeb projects. And the other very cool thing about this is that not only could you connect the WeWeb MCP to your AI, but you could connect multiple other MCPs. So for example, if your AI had access to both the Figma MCP and the WeWeb MCP, then you could copy a design in Figma, give that to your AI of choice, and ask it to rebuild that design inside of WeWeb. To get started with the WeWeb MCP, simply click the Agents button in the top left, then select your AI of choice and follow the setup instructions. And once set up, it's as simple as prompting your AI to build whatever you like inside of WeWeb.